లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో మనం ఇచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్ హోమోజేనియస్ ఈక్వేషన్ అవుతూ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ కాకపోతే ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ 1/mx + ny చేసాం అవునా. నెక్స్ట్ మెథడ్ 2 to find an integrating factor. Method 2, for suppose given differential equation is of the form, if the differential equation mdx plus ndy is equals to 0 is of the form some x into some y, some function y into f of xy dy plus dx plus some number some x into some function g of xy dy is equals to 0. So the differential equation is of the form y into f of xy dx plus x into g of xy dy equal to 0. Then integrating factor is equals to 1/mx minus ny for mx minus ny not equal to 0. This is the integrating factor. Okay, if the differential equation is of the form y into f of xy dx plus x into g of xy dy equal to 0, then the integrating factor is 1/mx minus ny. If the differential equation is of the form is homogeneous function, then integrating factor is 1/mx plus ny. So if the differential equation is of the form y into some function dx plus x into some function dy equal to 0, and if this is not an exact differential equation, then we have to multiply with integrating factor 1/mx minus ny. Okay, let's do one example, then you know what is this method. First write down this. So first problem. Problem 1. Solve y into xy plus 2x square y square dx plus x into xy minus x square y square dy is equals to 0. Solution. So given differential equation y into xy plus 2x square y square plus x into xy minus x square y square dy is equals to 0. This is of the form some y into some function in xy dx plus x into some function in xy dy equal to 0. So this is of the form y into f of xy dx plus x into g of xy dy is equals to 0. In the given differential equation, if xy's are there like this, the function is f of xy. So y into some function dx plus x into some function dy equal to 0. So here m is equals to m dx plus n dy. So m is equals to y into xy plus 2x square y square. So multiply with y into xy square plus 2x square y cube. Now dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y is equals to x constant y square derivative 2xy plus 2x square constant, y cube derivative 3y square. 3 into 2, 6 x square y square. Next, what is n? So n is equals to x into xy minus x square y square. Now, dou n by dou x. With respect to x, before that, multiply with x. X into x, x square y minus x cube y square. Okay? So now, dou n by dou x. With respect to x square differentiation 2x y minus x cube derivative 3x square y square. Both are not equal. Therefore, dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore, given differential equation is not exact. Therefore, given differential equation is not exact. If it is not exact, then we have to multiply with integrating factor to get exact. So what is that integrating factor is, since given equation is of the form y into f of xy dx plus x into g of xy dy equal to 0, then the integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. So before that we have to find mx minus ny. When we use mx plus ny, if given differential equation is homogeneous, then n not exact, then we have to use mx plus ny. Here mx minus ny. This is not an homogeneous equation. You can check it now. Okay? This is not an homogeneous. So mx minus ny. Is it homogeneous or not? Y into xy plus 2x square y square dx equal to minus x into xy minus x square y square dy. Then dy by dx is equals to minus y into xy plus 2x square y square by x into xy minus x square y square. Put x equal to kx, y equal to ky. Then minus ky into kx ky, k square xy plus 2 into k square, k power 4 x square y square by kx into ky, k square xy minus k power 4 x square y square. Put x equal to kx, y equal to ky. Then common, k square common, k square into k cube common, minus k cube into k cube y into xy plus 2 k square x square y square by, here k square common, k square into k cube x into xy plus xy minus k square x square y square. Both are cancelled. So minus y into xy plus 2. Here k square is there. Here k square not there. So that is not equal to f of x comma y. Therefore this is not an homogeneous differential equation. So now we have to find mx minus ny. So mx minus ny. M into m means x into xy minus x square y square into x, mx minus ny means, sorry, this is m, x into xy square plus 2x square y cube minus n x square y minus x cube y square into y. Okay, that is equal to x into x square y square plus 2x cube y cube minus x square y square plus x cube y cube. Both x square y square gets cancelled. And 2x cube y cube plus x cube y cube. 3x cube y cube. Therefore, integrating factor is 1 by mx minus my that equal to 1 by 3x cube y cube. We have to multiply now with integrating factor. Here, this equation 1. So, multiply 1 with integrating factor 1 by 3x cube y cube. Note down. Next, multiply 1 with integrating factor. Multiply equation 1 with integrating factor. Multiply equation 1 with integrating factor. Then 1 by 3x cube y cube into y into xy plus 2x square y square into dx plus 1 by 3x cube y cube into x into xy minus x square y square dy. Okay, next y gets cancelled. So 1 by 3x square y square into xy plus 2x square y square dx plus x cancel 1 by 3 here 3x cube here 3x square y cube into xy minus x square y square dy. Okay, next. Again, this is of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Equal to 0. So, this is of the form. Let it be equation 2. Equation 2 of the form. Equation 2 of the form m1 dx plus n1 dy is equals to 0. Here, m1 equal to, what is m1? xy plus 2x square y square by 3x cube y square. Simplify. xy by 3x cube y square plus 2x square y square by 3x cube y square. 1x cancel, y cancel. Then remaining 1 by 3 into x square y plus 2 by 3 into x square cancel. Remaining 1x. Y square gets cancelled. Then 2 by 3x. That is m1. What is m1? m1 is equals to xy minus x square y square by 3x square y cube. Then by simplifying xy by 3x square y cube minus x square y square by 3x cube y cube. 1x cancel, y cancel. Then remaining 1 by 3xy square minus 1 by 3xy. This is okay. that is n1. Here 3x square. So x, both x square gets cancelled, remaining 1 by 3y. Now dou m1 by dou y. With respect to y, so with respect to y, so 1 by 3x square constant, 1 by y, derivative 1 by y. So 1 by 3x square into derivative of 1 by y power minus 1. So y power minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 into y power minus 1, minus 1 by y. 1 by y square, minus 1 by y square. 2 by 3x, with respect to y, x constant 0. So minus 1 by 3x square y square. That is dou m1 by dou y. What is dou m1 by dou x? With respect to x. So 1 by 3y square constant, 1 by 3y square into 1 by x, derivative 1 by minus 1 by x square. Remaining 1 by with respect to x 0. So minus 1 by 3x square y square. Therefore both are equal. Therefore dou m1 by dou x equal to dou n1 by dou y. Therefore equation 2 is exact. Equation 2 is exact. Exact differential equation. So now we have to find the solution. Write down. This is equation 2 is exact. Okay. Now we have to find the solution. So what is the solution? Therefore solution of given differential equation is integral m1 dx plus integral terms of n1 not containing x dx is equals to c, some constant c. Okay, integral m1, what is m1? 1 by 3x square y plus 2 by 3x. So 1 by 3x square y dx plus integral 2 by 3x dx plus terms of n1 not containing x. Here 1 by 3xy square, x is there. Here x is not there. In this term there is no x. So minus 1 by 3y dx is equals to c, some constant c. dy. That implies here with respect to x, integration with respect to x, 1 by 3y constant. So 1 by 3y into integral 1 by x square dx plus 2 by 3 into integral 1 by x dx minus 1 by 3 into integral 1 by y dy is equals to c. Next 1 by 3y into integral 1 by x square minus 1 by x minus 1 by x dx plus 2 by 3 into 1 by x log x minus 1 by 3 into 1 by y integration of 1 by y log y. Log y is equals to c. Here 3, 3, 3. LCM 3. So remaining minus 1 by xy dx plus 2 log x minus log y is equals to, here 3 is dividing. In RHS it is multiplying. Then 3c. 3c means some constant c dash. Okay. This is the solution of required differential equation. This is the required solution of given differential equation. Okay. So when we have to use this integrating factor, if given differential equation is of the form y into some constant dx, some function f of xy dx plus x into some function g of xy dy equal to 0, and if it is not an exact differential equation, then we have to find the integrating factor 1 by mx minus ny. After that, we have to multiply with that integrating factor to get an exact differential equation. Then the solution is integral m1 dx plus integral terms of n1 not containing x equal to c. Right now. Next sum. Next example, solve example 2. Solve xy into sin xy plus cos xy into y dx plus xy into sin xy minus cos xy into x dy is equals to 0. So this is of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Solution. So first, given differential equation. Given differential equation, xy into sin xy plus cos xy into dx y dx plus xy into sin xy minus cos xy d into x dy is equals to 0. This is of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. This is of the form, let it be equation 1. This is of the form m dx plus n dy is equals to 0. So what is m here? M is y into xy sin xy. So we have to multiply with y. Xy square sin xy plus y cos xy. This is m. Dou m by dou y with respect to y. So here also xy, sin function xy is there. So uv, we have to apply uv here. So x into, so u into v, u into v dash. So y square into sin xy, cos xy, internal derivative xy with respect to y, x into x plus u into v dash, sin xy into 2y plus here also uv, y into cos xy minus sin xy, y into minus sin xy into internal derivative xy with respect to y, x plus cos xy into y with respect to y, 1. Next, n1. What is n1? What is n? N equal to x square y sin xy minus x cos xy. Again, dou n by dou y, dou x with respect to x. So y constant, apply uv. So y into u into v dash, x square into cos xy into internal derivative xy with respect to x. So y u into v dash plus v into u dash sin xy into x square 2x, okay, minus again u into v dash x into cos xy sin xy, so minus into minus sin xy minus and minus plus x into sin xy into internal derivative, so xy with respect to x, so y minus v into u dash cos xy. So compare here plus cos xy, here minus cos xy, so not. Therefore dou m by dou y is not equal to dou m by dou x. If one of the term is not equal, then total not equal. Okay, dou m by dou y not equal to dou m by dou x. Next. So since equation 1 is of the form, equation 1 is of the form f of xy into y into f of xy dx, y into f of xy dx plus some x into g of xy dy is equals to 0. Therefore integrating factor is 1 by mx minus my. So we have to find mx minus my. So m into x. What is m here? xy square sin xy, xy square sin xy, my plus pi cos xy into x minus. What is m? X square y sin xy, x square y sin xy minus x cos xy into y. Okay, next multiply with x into x square y square sin xy plus xy cos xy minus x square y square sin xy minus into minus plus xy cos xy. So plus x square y square sin xy minus x square y square sin xy gets cancelled. So remaining xy cos x cos xy, xy cos xy, xy cos xy, 2xy cos xy. This is mx minus my. So integrating factor is 1 by mx minus my. Write down. Therefore, integrating factor is is 1 by mx minus my. So 1 by what is mx minus my? 2xy cos xy. We have to multiply 1 with integrating factor. So 1 into integrating factor implies, so 1 by 2xy cos xy into xy sin xy plus cos xy into y dx plus 1 by 2xy cos xy into xy sin xy sin minus cos xy into x dy is equals to 0. Just multiply with integrating factor. Then here y cancelled, here x cancelled. So remaining xy sin xy by 2x cos xy, sin by cos tan. So here xy sin xy by 2x cos xy plus cos xy by 2x cos xy dx plus xy sin xy by 2y cos xy minus cos xy by 2y cos xy dy is equals to 0. By simplification, x cancelled, y by 2 into sin by cos tan xy plus 1 by 2x into cos xy cancelled, 1 by 2x dx whole dx plus here y gets cancelled, x by 2 into sin by cos tan xy. So cos xy cancelled, minus 1 by 2y whole dy is equals to 0. This is new differential equation, m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. So write down. So let it be equation 2. Equation 2 is of the form, equation 2 is of the form m1 dx plus n1 dy is equals to 0. Here m1 is equals to 1 by 2 common, half into y tan xy plus 1 by x whole dx, 1 by y, okay, 1 by x. So dou m1 by dou y with respect to y, half into here apply uv, y into tan xy secant square xy. So internal derivative xy with respect to y x plus tan xy into tan xy into y की for y derivative 1, so y 1 by x 0. Next n1, what is n1? Again 1 by 2 common, 1 by 2 into x tan xy minus 1 by y with respect to x, dou n1 by dou x. So with respect to x, half into uv, again u into v dash, x into tan xy secant square xy into internal derivative xy with respect to x y, my plus v into u dash tan xy into with respect to x1 minus 1 by y 0. So both are equal, half into xy secant square xy plus tan xy. Therefore dou m1 by dou y is equals to dou n1 by dou x. Therefore equation 2 is exact. Therefore equation 2 is exact differential equation. Then solution, 1 by integral m1 dx plus integral terms of n1 not containing x dy equal to c. Write down. So general solution. General solution of equation 2 is integral m1 dx plus integral terms of n1 not containing y not containing x dy is equals to c. So integral m1 dx, what is m1? half into y tan xy dx plus half 1 by x mali half into again 1 by 2x dx plus terms of n1 not containing x. Terms of n1 not containing x. Here x is there, 1 by y. Here x is not there. So we have to write integral 1 by minus 1 by 2y dy equal to c. So 1 by 2 constant. With respect to x, y constant. Integral tan xy, log mod secant xy. Log mod secant xy by quotient of, here with respect to x, we have to write quotient y. Integral sin 2x dx. So integral sin x minus cos x. Minus cos x, cos 2x. Again we have to take this quotient also by 2. X quotient we have to write in denominator. Here like this. Here x quotient y. So we have to write y in denominator. Plus half into integral 1 by x dx log x minus plus into minus minus half into integral 1 by y log y equal to c. Here 2 LCM 2 y cancel. So remaining log mod secant xy plus log x minus log y is equals to 2c c dash. 2c again constant. We have to write c equal 2c equal to c dash. We can write. So this is the general solution of. This is the general solution of given differential equation. Right. Now in this method I will give you homework, some problems I will give. You have to do that problems. If you have any doubts, ask me. Homework. Solve, first one, solve x cube y square y cube plus x square y square plus xy plus 1 into dx y dx plus x cube y cube minus x square y square minus xy plus 1 into x dy is equals to 0. Second one, solve y into 1 plus xy dx plus x into 1 minus xy dy is equals to 0. Third one, solve x square y square plus xy plus 1 into y dx plus x square y square minus xy plus 1 into x dy is equals to 0. Fourth one, solve 1 plus xy into x dy plus 1 minus xy into y dx is equals to 0. So when this method applied, when given equation is of the form y into f of xy dx plus x into g of xy dy equal to 0, and given differential equation is not exact, then integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. We have to multiply with that integrating factor and make it as exact differential equation. Then the solution is integral m1 dx plus integral terms of n1 not containing x dy is equals to c. In this, all these sums is of the form xy, f of xy into y dx, g of xy into x dy equal to 0. So we have to use integrating factor as 1 by mx minus ny. Okay. In previous class, what is the integrating factor? 1 by mx plus ny. When that method is used, when the given differential equation is homogeneous differential equation and not exact, then we have to multiply with the integrating factor 1 by mx plus ny. Here 1 by mx minus ny. Okay. And in next class we will do next method. Thank you.